Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be speaking about 5 most played games in our childhood in Mzansi. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button for this video. Continue to share and continue to support. Even though South Africa is considered to have raised us in a suffering and a very bad state, we as South African kids, we knew how to make the most out of what we have. And we could have fun. Whether black or white, we knew how to enjoy life with what we have. Here's number 5 of one of our games, Ndode. While considered to be a women type of a sport, it was a game where you could just have one big rock and collect as many rocks from the hole or a cycle written down. Even today, women still enjoy to play these games, even in their old age. It's considered to be very relaxing and very strategic for anybody to do anything while having fun. Number 4, Chicago and hopscotch. Yep, that's a tin. It's considered very good material for this game, and females were the ones who played most of this game, but we cannot rule out some of the guys. This game was matched with hopscotch, and you could just dug a ball which was made out of practically anything. It's either plastic, it's either wool, it's either anything, and the ball could be got and fun continues. Number 3, Mebulu. Yeah, I know the name sounds funny, but it's because it's derived from the term marble, which is just compiling some of the bricks together. Face brick was the most used sometimes, and some of the people had one of the most beautiful collection of marbles. Hey, if we could go to some of the garages, we could find some of these marbles. Maybe even as grown-ups we can play these games or teach our kids too. Careful not to swallow one. Number 2, Zwabana. This was considering starting a family, stealing food from home, and making fire and cooking somewhere far, and some of the naughtiest things were happening at this game. Yes, I know. We all know what naughty was happening at this game, but we had fun and we enjoyed ourselves during this time. Number 1, Magarata. Whether in the casino, whether it's anything, people could enjoy having fun and making sure that they could be looking smart simply because some of the adults could play this game as well. Remember as a young kid beating the adults at this game. Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you agree with my list. If you have any other games that you're suggesting, remember to put it on the comment section, and remember to subscribe to Venda Got to Know by Opitha.